Yeah, they want to talk about well, Norman would say my old husband. So.
If you don't mind me asking, ano ba yung age gap nyo?
26 years.
26 years.
I really like, mature men than me. Like, mas gusto ko mas
Ayun, yung
matanda
baby
sa
mo.
akin.
Bakit? What is it about older men?
Yeah, because maybe I think I'm an old soul. Everybody says that to me. I like learning from them.
Okay.
I like conversations kasi gusto ko yung mas marami akong natutunan. Well, ganun yung type ko. So, nagkasundo naman. But since before, I had a boyfriend naman na kaedad ko. Well, that was back in high school. And then we end up na pareho kaming sinungaling. Tulog ka na ha, tulog na tayo, babe. Eh, syempre, pag dumating yung mga barkada mo sa bahay, alis tayo.
Okay,
Eto
good
na
night.
nga. So, good night. Ikaw na unang magbaba ng phone. Hindi ko kaya, sabay na tayo. Yung ganun, so binaba. Tapos, syempre, rampa kasi akala ko natulog na siya. Pagdating ko dun sa bar, nagkita kaming dalawa doon.